well that's the first thing I'm going to tell you. If you've not ever been to the dentist, you're all how old? 5, 6? 5 years old? Right? You need to tell your mom and dad you've got to go to the dentist because the dentist takes x-rays of your teeth, right? Have you had pictures taken? They teach you to brush and then you get your teeth polished, right?
Yeah.
Right. Okay. So, alright, so what I want to know from everybody, does everybody know what a cavity is?
Yeah.
You do? Can anyone tell me? What's a cavity?
A cavity.
Go ahead. It's what?
It's a hole in your tooth.
It's a hole in your tooth, that's
And
right.
then if you leave it like that, it's going to grow bigger and bigger and bigger.
That's right, and then what happens? It causes what? Pain? You can get pain, right?
And you have to do
And you have to get it drilled and filled. Has anyone had a cavity? Yeah? A couple? Yeah, right. That doesn't feel too good. So do you know why you get a cavity? You just, maybe from, talking. Does talking give you a cavity?
No.
Does singing or dancing give you a cavity?
No.
What gives you a cavity?
Do
Do you think this, eating lots of these, would give you a cavity? Do you know what these are? Gummy worms.
I
And
eat them.
you eat them, and then do you brush after you eat your candy? Because you are allowed to have some candy. I have 2 children, and I allow them to have candy, but you do have to brush your teeth, though, right? Yes. And how many times a day do you brush your teeth? Once in the morning, and once when? At night, right, because when you go to sleep at night and you've eaten, let's say you had all this candy, and then you go to bed and you close your mouth and it's nice and warm and dark, guess what's having a party in your mouth? All that sugar. And they are dancing and they're going crazy and they're sticking to your teeth, and that's when you start to get a cavity. That sugar starts to eat away at your teeth. Did you know that? So what foods do you think you should eat so that you...
Healthy.
Healthy. All right, so let me ask you, should you eat this or these? Right. This is really good for your teeth. And also, did you know that if you can't find a toothbrush, you could do that. Well, you don't really do this, but celery acts like a toothbrush. It helps to clean your teeth. And carrots, the same thing. So if you can't brush your teeth during the day, you know what you should do? Chomp on some celery or some carrots, okay? And also, I know you're going to love this, dark chocolate. It's very good for your teeth. Do you guys like chocolate?
Yeah!
Dark chocolate, though. Okay, so the one thing I do want to show you guys is you got to brush your teeth, right? Okay, so how do you brush your teeth? Do you go like this? No, you don't want to scrub your teeth, right? You want to take your toothbrush. You can scrub the top of your teeth like this to get all the food out. But when you're doing your top teeth, what you want to do is take your toothbrush and flick all that food and sugar off your teeth like that, okay? So you never want to scrub back and forth because you know what? You can actually hurt your gums if you scrub your teeth. Yes?
Look.
Oh, did you lose some teeth? And you put it under the pillow for the fairy? He did? That's a lot of teeth. So I hope you will know that you all have baby teeth. You have how many baby teeth? Do you know how many teeth you have? You start off with 20 teeth. So you're going to get another set of teeth when you turn, how old? Do you know? 6, right. You get your 6-year molars. And you're going to start getting all your permanent teeth. So you have to take really, really good care of your permanent teeth because if you lose the permanent teeth, guess what happens?
What?
You don't get any more teeth. You can't put them under the pillow for the tooth fairy, and you don't grow anymore. So if you lose your permanent teeth, then you have to go to the dentist, and they make you fake teeth, right? So you don't want that. So you really have to take good care of your teeth.
Mom, they did that.
You get like the whole history of their parents. My parents have no, but they really don't want that. I know, right? It's like, why does it have a leak in it? Yes, lovely. My one container has a, you know what, and now your table's going to smell like vinegar. That's all right. Sorry, you know what, let me clean that up. And then, all right, I want to show you guys real fast because I know this is, do you know what else protects your teeth from cavities?
Water. Toothpaste.
Right. What's in the toothpaste that helps to keep your teeth protected from cavities? Do you know?
Vinegar.
It begins with an F.
Vinegar.
No.
Blue.
Vinegar is good for a lot of stuff, but not really for your teeth. Fluoride. Remember fluoride?
Yeah.
It's in your toothpaste? Okay, so what I'm going to show you is, this is vinegar. So, I wanted to also ask you, what is one of the worst things that you can do to your teeth? And it's something that you drink. What is one of the worst things that you can drink?
Soda.
Right, because soda has lots of sugar. Okay, so this is my vinegar, but this is almost like having soda. Do you guys have a scissor? Thank you. I know, I'm like, what's that? Scissor. All right, so I'm going to show you. I'm going to put one of these in with my vinegar with no toothpaste, and then I'm going to put the other one with lots of toothpaste to show you how fluoride protects your teeth from sugar and acids. So hopefully I can really coat this. Do you know what this is at Easter time? You dye your Easter eggs? All right, so let's see. We'll use a little bit more on here. Okay. Well, I'm going to really try to coat this. I'm having a little hard time with this toothpaste, but you get the idea. All right, ready? I'm going to drop this one in. Watch. And then, now watch what happens. Do you see?
Yeah.
See how this one, you can come look. Come on up. You can take a look. Don't budge. Watch. See, this one has no fluoride on it. All right, everybody, you know what? How about you take a look and then you go around so everybody in the back can look. So take a look, and if you've seen it, you can walk around to the back, okay? And let everybody else. The ones in the back. Everybody in the front,
Take a look and then go back.
Go in the back and then like the ones in the front.
Go to the back, go ahead.
Okay, so this one has the fluoride on it. You see how it's just dissolving very slowly? Did you see how this one dissolved right away? So that's to show you that when you brush your teeth, it leaves a coating of fluoride to help protect your teeth from sugar that you eat during the day. All right, did everyone get a chance to see? All right, who has seen this already? You guys go sit down, and then let everyone who hasn't seen it stand up. All right, see, it's starting to break up, but much slower. Look at how that one just completely, and that one took a little bit longer to break up. Yeah, but this one has the toothpaste on it, and that's just to show you how toothpaste really protects your teeth. Because that has the
You should be sitting.
have any protection on it. All right? Yeah? All right, you know what? So what I'm going to do, you guys want to do your thing? Okay. I'm going to give out all your questions. Does anyone have any questions? You have a question?
Just sit.
Questions? You guys want to sit down? You want to sit over here? I've left toothpaste on the table. Okay. Oh, do you have a question?
Did you not see it?
Oh, okay, see? I just was trying to show you that. See, when I first dropped this in, that dissolved immediately. And this teeth is a lot longer because that has the toothpaste on it. And that's to show you how important it is to brush your teeth and use a toothpaste with fluoride. Well, I just threw the green one in.
Sit right there.
See, I have different colors. Anyone else have any questions at all? So remember, you're going to go visit your dentist how many times a year? 2 times a year, right? Yes.
I do it 5 times a year.
5 times. Okay, so no drinking soda, right?
Yep.
And if you're going to have candy, you have to brush your teeth. But actually, if you eat candy, you've got to wait at least a half hour before you brush your teeth. You know why? Because if you eat candy and it's got all that sugar and you brush right away, you can actually hurt your enamel. You can it'll soften your teeth a lot faster. So you have to wait about a half hour and then brush your teeth after you have the candy, okay? Or, you know what you can also have, and I know every mom and teacher, not in school you don't do this, But you can tell your mom, sugarless gum is very good for your teeth. If you don't have a toothbrush and you've eaten something, you're allowed to have a piece of sugarless gum. It's gotta be sugarless, and you can chew that for about 20 minutes, and that's gonna help reduce the chances of getting a cavity, okay? So, yeah.
I don't smell that.
It's just the vinegar. You smell the vinegar. Okay, so my tooth over here, let me wipe this up. Clean that up.
I'll wipe it up
And you
later.
know what now?
Boys and girls, remember, sit on your bottom. Ethan.
Videotaping while she's cleaning it up. Is it on?
It is on. I know I only have.
Hi guys. So, does anybody know what this is? A tooth? What kind of tooth is this? Is this a front tooth, a back tooth? A back tooth. It's a back tooth. Front teeth are much smaller. So what do you guys like to eat for breakfast?
Cereal.
Cereal? Does anybody ever have eggs? You have eggs? All right. Well, Mr. Tooth loves to eat eggs. Loves to eat eggs.
Eggs.
And then what happens after Mr. Tooth eats the eggs? Little pieces of eggs are left on your tooth. They just get left there if you don't have a toothbrush. Let's see, what else? Who likes to eat potato chips? Everyone likes potato chips, don't they? Well, Mr. Tooth also likes potato chips. And then what happens again? What happens? They get left on your teeth, right?
It gets on it.
It's all over your teeth. All right. Whose mom makes them eat broccoli? Who likes broccoli?
I do.
Awesome. Mr. Tooth also loves broccoli. Uh-oh.
That's okay. When you eat, other stuff moves.
Yeah, we gotta make room for the new stuff. And broccoli always gets stuck in your teeth.
It's a just
Who likes to eat strawberries? We love strawberries in this class. Awesome. Here you go, Mr. Tooth. There's your strawberries.
Strawberries.
And here they are again. The strawberries get left all over your teeth. All over. This tooth is getting very, very messy. Who likes spaghetti? Who eats spaghetti? I love spaghetti.
Spaghetti, my favorite.
Tooth.
Spaghetti.
Alright. Look at how dirty that tooth is getting, right? Alright. Who likes gummy bears? And other candy, right? For Halloween, you're all going to get a bunch of candy. You guys got to make sure you brush. Here you go, Mr. Tooth.
Gummy bears.
Oh, look at all that sticky gummy bears stuck all over your teeth. And ice cream. Everyone loves ice cream, right? There you go, Mr. Tooth.
Ice cream.
And here's your ice cream and your cherries. And they're all stuck. They're all over this tooth.
Now I'm sad. I'm very dirty.
Look at it. The tooth is really sad. So what happens? What do you guys have to do when your teeth are dirty?
Wash
Super toothbrush to the rescue! What's wrong, Mr. Tooth?
I'm all dirty.
Why are you dirty?
Because everyone ate and no one brushed their teeth.
No one brushed you? Well, I can help with that. I will brush you.